Good morning on this rainy Friday. GardenStateWeather.com forecaster Robert Smith with the in-depth analysis video forecast discussion for this Friday, August 9th, 2013. Start things out with cloudy skies, light south to southeast winds, and a soupy air mass in place. Some light rain across northeastern New Jersey, a thunderstorm in Sussex County, some light rain also in Andover in Sussex County, New Jersey this morning. And the wind's beginning to pick up a little bit on Long Island. They're about 15 to 20 miles an hour. And skies are generally cloudy. Where it's not raining over northeastern New Jersey, it's cloudy everywhere else. And there's a little bit of light rain here across southeastern Pennsylvania as well. Temperatures and dew points either side of 70 degrees across the entire region this morning. Here's our rainfall this morning. Some of this is producing some moderate rain across northwestern New Jersey, where we have a few advisories in effect. We had quite a bit of rain across the region, same locations last night and early last evening across around rush hour across the border here into New York and Rockland and Westchester County in New York, where we had some tree damage and power line damage as well. And this morning we find a few of these showers and thunderstorms weakening as they continue to drift to the north and east. Watches, warnings, and advisories. We have an aerial flood advisory for small streams and rivers here across Sussex County and Monroe County in Pennsylvania until 10:30 this morning. We've had about 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rainfall in these regions, so ponding on the roads and elevated rises in small streams and creeks will produce flooding along those streams and creeks and farmland roads in those regions through 10:30 this morning. There's additional rain out to the west, and that will be coming in, adding to the totals this morning. Also for Passaic and Bergen counties and into parts of New York, there's an aerial flood advisory for this morning too until about 8:15. There's been an inch or more of rain in these regions as well as the thunderstorms lift to the north and east. Meanwhile, along the coast, we have small craft advisories until 8 o'clock this evening, and that would be from just about Monmouth County down to just north of Atlantic City. So that would be Ocean and parts of northern Atlantic County as well throughout this afternoon, right through this evening as well. Surface map this morning shows our south to southwest flow ahead of this very slowly moving cold front, which is nearly stationary across upstate New York, back through western Pennsylvania and Ohio into the Tennessee River Valley area. And this cold front will be passing through between late tonight and early tomorrow morning through the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. There's going to be more showers and thunderstorms developing across this region, which they already are, just to the southwest of where the rainfall is occurring this morning. And those showers and thunderstorms will continue to train north and east over the same locations that produced some flooding rains during overnight and early this morning. So showers and thunderstorms are going to be prevalent across the region and more widespread as this cold front begins to drag slowly to the south and east, and more lifting and unstable atmosphere produces numerous showers and thunderstorms across the region during this afternoon and early evening. Surf zone forecast for New York coastal waters. Not a good day today. There's a high threat of lightning from Coney Island all the way out to Hither Hills. A moderate risk of lightning with those thunderstorms. Average seas are churning up at 3 to 5 feet. Surf temperatures in the lower 70s, and showers and thunderstorms are on the way. Not a good beach day for New Jersey either. There's a moderate risk of rip currents today. Mostly cloudy skies, showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures around 80. Surf temperatures in the low to mid 70s. A UVI index is high where there is not showers and thunderstorms occurring, and some of these regions to the south here will not have as much cloud cover this morning, so the sun is going to pop out in these regions, and as a result the UVI index is very high. There's a moderate risk of rip currents along the beach fronts today, from all along the beach fronts actually, from Monmouth and Ocean counties all the way down to Cape May counties in New Jersey as well. There is a high threat of lightning too, which implies that lightning is either high or expected with showers and thunderstorms. High tide at Atlantic City at 9:45 this morning, and again at 9:50 this evening. NamWRF composite reflectivity from Penn State Seawall shows the showers and thunderstorms moving across the northern half of New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, into southeastern New York and Connecticut this morning. And the showers and thunderstorms continue to blossom just to the west as well ahead of the cold front, which will slowly make its way across by this afternoon. More showers and thunderstorms developing. Notice there are breaks in the clouds here, and any of those breaks means that the sun is going to come out and destabilize the atmosphere further ahead of the showers and thunderstorms that move along the cold front with disturbances moving along it. Here's more showers and thunderstorms blossoming across the region this afternoon. And some of those showers and thunderstorms will be quite heavy. They'll be capable of producing very brief, heavy downpours, which will cause localized urban and ponding on roadways rather. And also small stream and creek flooding is not out of the question. Watches and warnings are going to fly across the region this afternoon. There could be a batch of very strong thunderstorms crossing the Delaware River during late this afternoon and this evening, and those showers and thunderstorms may also exit off the coastal waters from Rehoboth Beach south, and also from the waters just between the ferry there and Cape Bay east through the Atlantic coastal waters of southern New Jersey and off the Delmarva this evening as well. And skies begin to break as the cold front gradually pushes off the coast, with clearing skies taking place after midnight. There'll be some high clouds left over across southern regions, and then a mixture of clouds and sunshine and downsloping flow of northwest winds. The atmosphere really dries out on Saturday morning. Mostly sunny skies to start a good chunk of the region. Could be some mid and high level clouds across central and southern New Jersey in the early morning hours, and just some scattered high clouds during the afternoon hours on Saturday. Comfortable temperatures and humidities. Tomorrow's temperature is actually going to be in the 80s, but with a downslope wind, the atmosphere will be drying out. And we notice that there really isn't that much disturbances moving in behind this, so we're expecting high pressure to continue to build into the region during Sunday. We could have some moderate to low level clouds if some of the atmosphere doesn't mix down a little bit, and we just have a little bit of an inversion in the atmosphere on Saturday night or Sunday morning. But most of the sky cover should break, and Sunday should be a delightful day. As that front stalls to the south, there could be another disturbance moving towards the region but staying to the west of us during the afternoon on Sunday. So we're expecting high pressure to rule with generally comfortable conditions and just some moderate to upper level cloud cover. Otherwise mostly sunny skies and very pleasant conditions on Sunday. GFS forecast with our front and surface low along it moving across the region. Showers and thunderstorms blossoming as the front and surface wave move through. And as the front slowly drags through, showers and thunderstorms moving across the region and then exiting from the region during late tonight and tomorrow morning. High pressure building in across the upper Midwest and a nice west to northwest flow, a zonal flow setting up across the region during the day on Saturday. Most of the disturbances remaining to the south. High pressure continues to build in across the region, but still quite a bit of upper level troughing across the northeast. High pressure still built in for the day on Sunday, Sunday night, and Monday, keeping our weather generally on the dry side. There could be a little bit of moisture here trying to get back up along the stalled out southern flank of the front here across the region on Monday. But other than that, we're not really expecting too much in the way of precipitation. Surface wave develops during Monday afternoon, but stays well to the south across the middle Atlantic states. High pressure over our region keeps us dry and comfortable and seasonable as well. And then by the time we get into later Monday afternoon and Monday evening, the surface wave and moisture try to increase across the region. And for the most part, we're not looking at widespread shower or thunderstorm activity until a cold front tries to make its way through during Monday night or Tuesday morning with a few showers, perhaps a thunderstorm or two, and then dry weather setting us up for the weekend, for the middle of the week. As that cold front comes through, the showers and thunderstorms exit, and then high pressure builds in. Notice here the GFS wants to keep the front a little stalled and keep a wave of low pressure along it during Thursday morning. And if this is the case, it would slow up the progress of the clearing that will be ongoing across the Ohio and upper Midwest in the Great Lakes region. And Thursday could turn out to be a little cloudier and more showers and thunderstorms, especially across the southern tier from central and southern New Jersey down through the Delmarva on Thursday. We'll just have to see if this is the correct solution. And then, excuse me, high pressure builds in across the region for the weekend, and it looks like next weekend is going to be quite different, actually similar to what we're experiencing this Saturday and Sunday too, with pleasant and dry conditions as high pressure builds across the region. So that's a wrap for today and for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll be back bright and early with you on Monday morning. Have a fantastic weekend. Do be careful out there in that rain. Slow down when you're driving. Keep your windshield wipers and high beams or low beams on. And use caution out there. And don't forget to keep alert with the latest updates via Facebook, Twitter, and of course live coverage here at GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com. I'm Robert Smith. You have a terrific Friday and a great weekend.